Click it. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share my video. Like. Leave comments. Please. I'm trying. Please. Okay.
So guys, I'm in pharmacy. Let me buy my cream. My cream is finished.
Oui.
So guys, I'm in pharmacy. Let me buy my cream. My cream is finished. You know, Shelly, it's like, hey, this one don't have my cream again. This is what I'm using, but this one is the hand cream. Where is the cream, Pata? I changed the post. Give me your cream, Aspetta. So guys, I changed cream. My own is not available, so I bought this one. So guys, we are in doctor's place, you know, so that Chidi will, doctor will check his eyes, then maybe we can take appointment for eyes clinic, because Chidi, when he's talking, not do your eyes the way you're doing your eyes. If you want to look far, fire okay. So I want doctor to check his eyes now, because I don't want it's just a way that he'll be having eyes problem and you will not know. Like NJ and the Chinedu, you know, when they are small, we did not check them early, you know. So we're waiting for our turn. So guys, let's go and have our lunch. I'm so tired today. Today is tough for us.
Mela, pesca, pesca. No, bella.
You guys sit down. Ojugo.
Oui. Essaie de quoi?
So Chidi finish his guitar. We play a game. Before time, nah. When you finish, you play a game. Why the game? Thank you. So guys, come and join us. Let's eat. Hey, wow, Papa. This is very good. You need to February. If you know what, okay. Mana, kabako aro, maybe name. Follow amaka. What the lost here? You go. They leave or the back. Leave ogolo. They watch all of it. What a good lucky. Alex.
Good morning, guys. So guys, I did not go to jogging today because I'm down. I don't know why. So today I did not make it. So that's it. So let's take coffee. So how you guys doing? I hope everybody's fine. As you can see, I'm fine. So this is Wednesday morning. I'll take my coffee now and do some little cleaning. Yeah. I will get ready for work. Where's my coffee? It's ready. I'm looking now. So let me show you. My new air fryer. I got this in Amazon and it's still arriving because I bought so many things. And here is my AC. Yes, I'm going to hang it in my kitchen so that when I'm baking, heat will not kill me, you know. When I'm baking, I'll be chilling too. Like it. So I'm going to change some things over here this way, you know. I'm going to put a kitchen cabinet. Yeah. Then I will not carry my fridge. I have fridge in garage. This my fridge is going to 16 years. I have it in garage, new mint. You know, so I want to carry it up here. That fridge I'm taking use of it is only my baking things, my cooking things is going to be in that fridge. You know, when I will make pasta, dough for my meat pie, I will put it inside the freezer over there. You know, so I have more space here. So like this. My order is still arriving. I got this on Amazon. It's not that too so cheap, it's not that too costly, you know. So, but I will not be unboxing it today. You know, I will make video parts when I'm unboxing all the things that I got in my new fridge. You know, that fridge I put it when Chinedu is 2 years, I think. No, when Chinedu is 3 years, yes. You know, government paid me the money. I bought two things with the money. I bought my freezer is small. My other have already changed it. I bought the big one that we're using now. And I bought the fridge. But since then, I haven't used it. So I want to start making use of it. From next 2 months, my kitchen will be my store. My kitchen will be my store. If you see my kitchen, next 2 months will be like a ghost. So I have to put everything in order, my baking things, because this my baking things go on job there. You know, click it. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share my video, like, leave comments, please. I'm trying, please. Okay. So guys, come and join us, our lunch. So today we are having white rice with chicken sauce. Can you see? Can you see? See you in my next video. Bye. Ciao.